All right, here we are the following day. It is May 23rd, about 8 a.m. So approximately 20 hours after we moved the cattle and the goats in here. And my goodness, have they hammered this. This is fantastic. So they have just really knocked it down. And that's great. So we're going to go ahead and do this again. I'm going to move them in another basically 4 netting paddocks, so about 3/4 of an acre. I mean, there's still some stems sticking up, but I literally just saw one of the cows grab a big old mouthful of rush, which is great. Looks like some of this dog fennel has even been nipped off. but yeah, they did a fantastic job. They did leave this bull thistle. Blackberries got hit. We could probably leave the goats in here another day, and you know, honestly, I might just do that, just so the goats can clean up a little bit more of this stuff. But here's they left this bull thistle, but yeah, so this is great. Really like the level of disturbance, and the chickens will be able to move right into here, and we won't have to worry about losing eggs and big briar patches and them finding other places to lay other than their nest box. And the great thing is there'll be tons of cattle manure and flies for them to scratch, eat the larvae, spread that manure. So awesome. Really like the results we got of combining the cattle and the goats together. So if you guys like what you're seeing, please do the like and subscribe, that whole deal. So that we know to keep putting this out. But yeah, so Yonah Mountain Farms, small-scale regenerative agriculture, where we do multi-species grazing, adaptable multi-paddock grazing, management-intensive grazing, holistic management, whatever you want to call it. You know, what it basically boils down to is we're out here using the land to manage the animals, regenerate soil, increase biodiversity, and produce high quality, nutrient dense beef. So, I mean, these cows, the amount of minerals, and I mean, just, they're getting so much more out of when you make them basically eat everything, because, you know, all these weeds have different root levels. So some of them go deeper than others, and they're pulling up different minerals from in the ground. So when it is just a monoculture of certain grasses or whatnot, or a majority of certain grasses, then you're limiting the nutrients that the cattle are receiving, the nutrients and the minerals. So this is one of the benefits of just not spraying your pastures and moving them regularly. And you know, I mean, people talk about rotational grazing, and that's all well and good, but this is a little bit different. Rotational grazing, a lot of people only move their cattle, you know, 3 or 4 times a year, and that's rotational grazing. So what we're doing is a little bit different. So these cows came on here yesterday, and they're about to come off today, and so I'm gonna get this next paddock set up, and we'll get some more footage. Thanks.